Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to crochet this adorable green apple, perfect as a cute keychain, a gift, or just a fun addition to your crochet collection. Whether you're a beginner or a crochet pro, I hope you enjoy this relaxing and rewarding project. Grab your hook and let's get started. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet fun. Let's dive in. For round 1, we're going to start with a magic ring. Into that ring, crochet 6 single crochets. That's it for the first round. Tip: keep the stitches tight so there's no hole in the center. You're doing great. That was a perfect start. Now on to round 2. Do 6 increases. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch around. You should have 12 stitches at the end. Tip: use a stitch marker so you don't lose track of your rounds. Keep going, it's already starting to take shape. Round 3. Do 1 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat that 6 times. You'll end up with 18 stitches. Look at you go! The base is getting wider. For round 4, crochet 2 single crochets, then an increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times for a total of 24 stitches. Tip: count your stitches at the end of each round to stay on track. You've got this. Round 5 is easy. Just do 24 single crochets around. No increases here. Sometimes a simple round is all we need. Keep those hands moving. In round 6, we'll increase again. Do 3 single crochets, then an increase. Repeat 6 times for 30 stitches. Tip: make sure your tension stays consistent. You're doing awesome. Round 7 is simple. Just do 30 single crochets around. Great job, you're building a nice round shape for your apple. In round 8, follow this pattern. 2SC, ink, 2SC. Repeat it 6 times. That gives you 36 stitches. Nice work. We're really seeing the apple form now. Now for round 9, crochet 36 single crochets evenly around. Take a deep breath, enjoy the rhythm of your stitches. You're doing amazing. Round 10, do 5 single crochets, then an increase. Repeat 6 times to reach 42 stitches. Tip: keep your increases evenly spaced for a smooth curve. For rounds 11 to 16, simply crochet 42 single crochets in each round. That's 6 rounds total. Tip: if you're tired, take a short break. Crocheting should be fun and relaxing. You're building the body of the apple beautifully. Round 17 is our first decrease round. Do 6 single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat this 6 times for 36 stitches. Great job, Ropi Piskiti. We're shaping the top of the apple now. For round 18, do 2SC, deck 2SC, repeat 6 times to end with 30 stitches. So close to finishing the body, keep it up. Round 19, 3 single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat 6 times for 24 stitches. Keep your decreases tight. It helps the top look neat. In round 20, do SC, deck, SC, repeat 6 times for 18 stitches. The apple is nearly done. You're doing awesome. Round 21, SC, deck. Repeat 6 times for 12 stitches. Just one more round after this. Final round. Do 6 decreases to close the top. You should now have 6 stitches. Fasten off and use a needle to weave the tail through the front loops to close the hole tightly. Great work! For the stem, start with a magic ring and make 5 single crochets into the ring. Then, work 5 rounds of 5 single crochets to form a short cylinder. Tip: keep the stem firm by rolling it a little while you stitch. Now let's make the leaf. Start with chain 9, then beginning in the second chain from the hook, work SLC, SC, 4 HDC, DC, anti-R, then back down the other side, DC, 4 HDC, SC, SL Saint. Tip: shape the leaf with your fingers before sewing it on. So cute! Sew the stem and the leaf to the top of your apple. Adjust the placement until it looks just right, and there you go. Your green apple is complete. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you had fun making this little apple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun crochet projects. Until next time, happy crocheting and stay creative.